If you are someone who is not a gamer but you still want a mouse which is very fast and reliable and which looks kind of modern for the current standards, then you might want to consider this Logitech Pebble M350 as your next portable mouse to purchase. Folks, I have been using this mouse for almost a month now, and in this video I will give my in-depth review about this mouse. So do watch this video till the very end. I'm your host Neeraj, you're watching your Consumer Tech Guide, and let's get started. Folks, I have purchased this mouse for 1800 rupees. Now inside this box you will get a mouse which has a single AA battery already pre-applied. Along with this you will get a universal receiver. Now this receiver is used to connect your mouse to your laptop and desktop, so you need this. Don't lose it anywhere because it is very important to have it. Okay, now where is the battery present? For that we need to remove this upper section. Now as you can see, it has two compartments. In the first one I have my single AA battery already pre-applied, and in the second compartment we have the universal receiver, which I have already removed it because it will be used for connecting it to your laptop. So this is it. This is what you get inside the box. Now how do I close it back? Now we just have to place it like this. It has a magnetic connector all across its body, so it will automatically get connected. So pretty sweet from Logitech. Now along with this, Logitech claims that this mouse is very silent, and that is actually very true. And it also claims that it has a 18-month battery life. It has a dual connectivity mode and high precision optical tracking. Now in this video we will see that whatever claims made by Logitech holds true or not. This mouse comes in three different color options, that is white, graphite black and rose gold color variant. Now I have personally picked this black color variant because the laptop that I'm currently using is in black color. So this color goes very well with my laptop, but you can pick whichever color option you want. The body of this mouse has a matte texture to it, because of which it has two advantages. First, it does not attract a lot of fingerprint, and second, it provides excellent grip in your hand. Now third, this mouse has a very flat design. Now because of this, even if I use this mouse for let's say 5 to 6 hours, I don't feel any pain in my hand. Now the mouse that I had earlier had a very angular design, because of which if I use it for longer duration, I used to feel a pain in my hand. Now I'm very happy that that is not the case with this mouse. Also, the next part is specifically for gamers. This mouse has a very minimalistic design. It does not have any extra buttons which are programmable and does not have any LED indicator. So if you are expecting that you will get a extra button which is programmable or a certain LED indicators, then you might be disappointed. Now let's see how to connect this mouse to the laptop. Now for connecting it, Logitech provides two different pairing options. First is the universal mode and second is the Bluetooth mode. First we will see how to connect this mouse to the laptop in the universal receiver mode. For that we first need to ensure that our mouse is in currently on state. As you can see, currently it is in off state. So to switch it on, we have to toggle this like this. Now as you can see, it is in on mode and I'm getting a green light indicator. Green means that I can connect my mouse in the universal receiver mode. So now let's connect it. Now for connecting it, we need to use this universal receiver. This is the universal receiver. Now let me connect this to the laptop. Now as you can see, I have connected it to the laptop, and now as you can see, I'm able to use my mouse and it is very fast. For your information, it has a DPI of 1000, so whatever click you are doing, the response on the screen is very fast. As you can see, it is very fast. Now let's switch in the Bluetooth mode. Now for switching it, we have to go back to this area and I have to press it like this and hold it for some time. Now as you can see, I'm getting a blue indicator which is continuously blinking. That means that my mouse is ready to be paired in the Bluetooth mode. Now we have to connect our mouse to this laptop in the Bluetooth mode. For that we need to go to our Bluetooth settings. Now as you can see, now I'm in my Bluetooth setting. I have to search for my mouse in. Now we will go over here. Now as you can see, I'm getting this Logitech Pebble mouse shown over here. We need to pair it. Now as you can see, your device is ready to go. That means that my mouse is now connected to my laptop in the Bluetooth mode. Now let me see if I can use it or not. Now as you can see, I'm able to use it in the Bluetooth mode. So that is very good. I'm very happy that Logitech have provided both the pairing option. So that was pretty much it for all the connectivity options that we have. Also, as you can see over here, there is an optical sensor. Now this optical sensor helps this mouse to work in different surfaces. Now currently, as you can see, I'm using this mouse on a hard surface, but if you use it on a wooden surface or let's say a glass surface also, this mouse works perfectly well. And I have been using this mouse for almost a month now, so I have tried it on multiple surfaces and it works on all the surfaces without any problem. So that was pretty much it for all the connectivity option that we have. Now let's see how is the battery life on this mouse. Now Logitech claims that this mouse can last up to 18 months on a single charge, but folks, I have used this mouse for only a month now, and in my typical use case of 5 to 7 hours every day, now the battery life still shows that it is at 100%. So you can imagine how good the battery life is. So if you are worried about the battery life for this mouse, then don't be, because the battery life for this mouse is very good. It is excellent. You don't face any problem. But Logitech also mentions a disclaimer that the battery life may vary based on your use case. If you are a hardcore gamer who spend 5 to 7 hours every day with your gaming session, then your mileage may vary based on your use case, but you don't have to worry about the battery life. Also, this mouse has an operating range of 10 meters, so your mouse won't get disconnected every now and then. So that is very good from Logitech. Now I have kept the most important feature of this mouse for the end, and that is this mouse is very silent. So let's say you are a working professional who works from home a lot and you don't want your family members to get disturbed while they are sleeping, then this mouse is the best option for you to purchase. And personally, this was one of the prime reasons why I purchased this mouse. So that is very nice from Logitech that they have provided this option. And with this, we have reached the end of this video, wherein I will give my verdict that is it worth spending your money or not. So the answer depends on what kind of a user you are. If you are a hardcore gamer, then you can purchase this mouse. The only thing that you have to remember is you are not getting any extra programmable buttons or fancy LED indicators like that. But if you can live with that fact, then you will be very happy with the performance of this mouse. For all the other users, like if you are a working professional or if you are a student or a normal casual user, then this mouse is one of the best option to purchase, and you will thoroughly enjoy it like I did in my 1 month experience. So I highly recommend this mouse for one and all, and that was my 2 cents on this mouse. Do let me know what do you feel about this video, and if you like the video that I have created, do like and subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you. Thanks for watching.